Today I'm going to show you how to place a design or a graphic on any surface with Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. And click and drag over the white shirt to select it. Press Ctrl-J to cut the shirt from its background. Then right-click and duplicate layer. Under the document, select New. Let's name it Displacement. Now, go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll increase the radius to 3 pixels. Go to File, and choose Save As. Under the Save As type, select Photoshop PSD. Then hit Save. Let's go back to the original image. Now, go to File, Place Embedded, and place your design. Adjust the size and position. Press Enter on your keyboard. Right-click. And create clipping mask. Go to Filter, Distort, and Displace. I'll make the horizontal scale and vertical scale 4. Now, select the displacement PSD file. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the white slider and drag it to the left. Click OK once you're satisfied. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Then clip it. I'll decrease the opacity to 55%. And that's it. Thanks for watching.